What it is, familiar? It's your boy TyCPNG, and we're back at it again with another Photoshop editing tutorial. This is how I created this motion blur effect using Photoshop. So we're in Lightroom right now. We're gonna find the image that we wanna use, which is this one right here. We're gonna make sure that your background is lit up pretty nicely. So you can do this by going to the masking, select your subject, and select the background layer. So mask out the background layer and mask out the subject layer. Make sure both of them are clear. Right click, and then you're gonna go to edit in Photoshop once you're done selecting it to the best of your liking. Now that we're in Photoshop, we're gonna go ahead and go Command J. We're gonna create a separate layer. So we're gonna duplicate this layer. We're gonna go to this top layer right here, and we're gonna hit select subject under our properties menu where it says quick actions. You're gonna hit select subject, or you can hit remove background. Remove background might be easier. It'll do it automatically for you, and it will create a mask once it does it automatically. So it created a mask for me. Now it's just really, really simple, you guys. I can go right here to the layer below. I can go up to filter. I'm gonna go to blur, and I'm gonna go to motion blur, okay? You can do a motion blur, you can do a radial blur, you can do it however you want. I'm gonna select something in here that I wanna see. It'll give you a preview of the motion blur for you to be able to see, and now you can create this effect however you like to your liking. You can go super crazy with it. You can go not so crazy with it. However you really want to do it. But I'm going to go just very minimal with it. Just like so. There we go. So I'm around 23. I'm going to go 25 to make it not even, but you get what I mean. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and Command J this image once again. I'm going to go up. I'm going to duplicate this top layer that I have. I'm going to sandwich it in the middle of these two layers. Now I'm going to go ahead and select subject. I'm going to hit Command J to duplicate that subject, hide that bottom layer. I'm gonna go Command T, select that subject, zoom in. I'm gonna drag him back out from himself, just like so, right? I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna double click. I'm gonna go up to filter. I'm gonna go to blur. I'm gonna go to motion blur. Once again, just like so, and I'm gonna crank this bad boy insane. You see that right there? I'm gonna crank this bad boy insanely. You know what I'm saying? You can really do whatever you want. I'm around 230-ish. I like it like that. Maybe you want it a little bit less or a little bit more. So I think 150 solid. I'm gonna go 150 solid, enter, just like so. And now you can move this however you want, Command T, and then you could just drag this bad boy wherever you want it at, wherever you feel looks the best. Double click, Command 0, and you're done. Let me know if this was good for you guys and how you guys like this tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and group these together so you guys can see the before and the after of the image. Command G, just like so. Before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. This was how to create this motion blur effect on any of your images using Photoshop. Until next time, taxi.